Students, today we are going to prepare trial balance with the suspense account. Before preparing problem, we are going to learn the meaning of suspense account. Yes, look at the board. Suspense account. It is a temporary account. It is a temporary or imaginary account open to tally the trial balance. So, suspense account is created to agree the trial balance. If trial balance is agreed, there is no suspense account. If it is not agreed, the difference temporarily placed to the suspense account. It is a temporary or imaginary account. The trial balance should agree. Always the trial balance should agree. If not, the trial balance not agreed, the difference temporarily placed to the suspense account to prepare the financial statement. So the purpose of creating suspense account is to prepare final accounts. Yes. Then third point, if trial balance debit side total exceeds the credit side total, then suspense account recorded in the credit side. Trial balance has two sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side more, credit side less. Now the shortage side, the suspense account will be recorded. Then if trial balance credit side total exceeds the debit side total, the suspense account recorded in the debit side. Now the credit side total exceeds the debit side total. Now the suspense account recorded in the debit side. Next, so suspense account recorded in the shortage side of trial balance. That is very important. If debit balance exceeds the credit balance, so the suspense account recorded in the credit side. Credit total exceeds the debit total, then suspense account recorded in the debit side. So where suspense account actually recorded, in which side shortage occurred, in that side suspense account to be recorded. Then suspense account shows debit balance or credit balance. So suspense account shows debit balance or credit balance. Suspense account debit balance will appear in the asset side and credit balance appeared in the liability side. So suspense account shows debit balance or credit balance. If it appeared in the debit balance, it will go to the asset side. If it shows credit balance, it will go to the liability side. Then suspense account may be personal account, real account or nominal account recorded in the balance sheet. Suspense account may be a personal account, real account or nominal account recorded in the balance sheet. What, sir? If error associated with the person, now the suspense account is a personal account. An error associated with the expense or income, now the suspense account is nominal account. An error is associated with the asset. Now the suspense account is a real account. It may be a personal account or a real account or a nominal account. It should be recorded in the balance sheet. Then last point, suspense account automatically closed. Suspense account automatically closed when errors are rectified. If trial balance is not agreed, the difference temporarily placed to the suspense account. When it will be closed? After errors are located and rectified. Now we will see one problem. From the following balances extracted from the books of Prabhu as on 31st March 2017, prepare trial balance. The heading is trial balance of Mr. Prabhu as on 31 March 2017. The first item is discount allowed. First item is discount allowed. It is an expense recorded in the debit side. Second item is cash in hand. Second item is cash in hand. It is an asset, debit side. Third one, capital. Capital is a liability recorded in the credit side. Fourth one, salaries. It is an expense recorded in the debit side. Fifth one, furniture. It is an asset recorded in the debit side. Sixth one, loan borrowed. Loan borrowed is a liability recorded in the credit side. Seventh one, lighting. Lighting is an expense recorded in the debit side. Eighth one, commission paid. Commission paid is an expense recorded in the debit side. Ninth one, purchases. It is an expense recorded in the debit side. 10th one, sales. It is an income recorded in the credit side. Students, earlier I said expenses and assets are recorded in the debit side. Income and liabilities are recorded in the credit side. Now, I am going to make total. I am going to make a total. Debit side total 68,000. Credit side total 92,000. Already I totaled. So, debit side total 68,000. Credit side total 92,000. Which one is more? Credit side total how much? 92,000. Write in the both side. Credit side total 92,000. I recorded in the debit side also. Then I deducted the debit total. The balance temporarily I placed to suspense account. The difference how much? 24,000. How we got this difference? The difference between credit total and debit total is 24,000. In which side shortage occurred? Debit side. So debit side we have to write the suspense account. Here the suspense account recorded in the debit side. In balance sheet it will go to the asset side. Students, we completed trial balance with the suspense account. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.